If you don't understand pattern making, you're not designing, you're guessing. And that's exactly why many beginner fashion designers struggle to create professional looking garments. Because the truth is, every well-fitted outfit you see starts with a pattern. And there's one book used in fashion schools around the world that teaches this skill step by step. Today, I'm breaking down Pattern Making for Fashion Design by Helen Joseph-Armstrong and why it's considered one of the most important books for fashion designers. Now, here's what most people don't realize. Learning how to sew is not enough. If you really want to stand out as a designer, you need to understand how garments are constructed from the pattern stage. And that's exactly what this book teaches. Inside this book, you'll learn how to draft patterns for essential garments like bodices, skirts, sleeves, collars, pants, and dresses. But what makes it different from other fashion books is how it teaches you. The diagrams are extremely detailed, and I mean every line, every curve, every measurement is clearly explained. So instead of guessing, you're following a professional system used in the fashion industry. And this is where it gets even interesting. The book doesn't just stop at basic patterns. It starts with foundation blocks, also known as slopers, like the bodice, skirt, and sleeve. Then it gradually shows you how to transform those simple patterns into more complex designs. We're talking about techniques like pattern manipulation, dart transformation, style variations, and garment modifications, which means one basic pattern can turn into multiple outfit designs. That's how real designers work. And that's the difference between someone who copies clothes and someone who actually creates them. Now, think about this. If you master just one skill from this book, pattern manipulation, you can literally expand your creativity without starting from scratch every time. That's powerful. And it's one of the reasons this book is used in fashion schools across the world, because it teaches not just sewing, but how garments are engineered. Now, if you're enjoying this and you want to become better at fashion design, pattern drafting, and garment construction, make sure you subscribe to Golden Grace Fashion Academy, because for the next few days, I'm breaking down fashion books that can change your design skills. Back to the book. Another thing I love is how structured it is. It takes you from beginner level, step by step, into advanced techniques without overwhelming you. So whether you're just starting or already designing, there's something valuable for you. And by the time you understand these concepts, you'll start seeing fashion differently. You won't just see clothes anymore. You'll see structure, patterns, and design possibilities. That's when you know you're growing as a designer. So after everything in this book, the detailed diagrams, the professional techniques, and the step-by-step learning approach, my final rating is simple: 10 out of 10 for pattern making knowledge. This is not just a book, it's a foundation. That's it for day 2 of my 10-day fashion book challenge. And in day 3, I'll be reviewing another powerful fashion design book that every serious designer should know. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.